Big Dog K9 for sale. Yes, this is a Big Dog motorcycle K9 model 2009. And this is really a beauty. It only has 13,148 miles on it. And it really looks like it has much less than that. It's really been pampered, never been down, always garaged. I rode it 150 miles to get it home, and this is a picture of the garage floor the next day. Not one drop of oil. Now, if you look close at the engine, you see it's been diamond cut, so it really sparkles in the sun. Plus, the bike has the dual passenger seat, and you could see super trap mufflers on it, or exhaust system, I should say, sissy bar. And the tires are both front and back in really good shape. The bike looks exceptional. Everything is working fine, and on most Big Dog motorcycles, one of the main things is the electrical problems that they have. But this one has been all had a new EHC added to it, and it works perfect. If you're watching this on YouTube, please give me a like, share, or comment, and mark our YouTube channel as one of your favorites. This way you'll be notified every time we publish a new video. Take care.